Okay, so if we move on to a more mature stream, what are some of the physical characteristics we would see of a more mature stream?
There would be a meander.
There would be a meander, exactly. So let's say then that we're going to have a meander. It's going to look something like this. Where are the limits of the floodplain going to be in a stream that looks like this?
What do you mean by limits?
Where are the edges of the floodplain? Is it going to follow the route of the stream? Or is it going to be outside of the path of the meanders? Follow the route of the stream?
No.
No, that's wrong. You're very good. And the reason is because this is not a static pattern. This meander pattern does not stay still. What happens is, as the stream gets more mature, this stream wanders back and forth, or meanders. So at this particular time in its life, it looks like this. But at some point in its life, it has probably looked like that. So what you get is a floodplain that is the width of the meander pattern, of the wavelength, rather than a floodplain that follows very closely to the shores of the bank, to the bank. Okay? So that's one way that we can tell we've got a much older stream. So where would we see something like this? Where would we see, what states, or where would we be flying over and we see a young stream bed? Where's an area in the U.S.? Where's an area we'd see a...
Pass. Next question.
Where's an area we'd see a more mature one?
I don't like this question.
Okay. This one we would likely see in a mountain environment, right?
One of them was
because
mountain.
we're going downhill, so we've got a steep stream. This one we're likely to see at the base of a mountain. So this would be probably, as we're going over Colorado, this would be likely as we see those same streams coming out onto Kansas, or somewhere where we've got a much flatter terrain. The next one we're going to draw is one we would see even further downstream, possibly approaching the delta system of the Mississippi River.